Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious glazed carrots. To begin, select fresh, firm carrots that are vibrant in color. Next, wash and peel them thoroughly to remove any dirt or impurities. Finally, cut your carrots into uniform pieces, such as 1-inch rounds or diagonal slices. This ensures they cook evenly and absorb the glaze beautifully, making every bite perfect. Now, let's prepare the simple yet flavorful glaze. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of water or vegetable broth. For an extra layer of taste, consider adding a small pinch of salt and a dash of cinnamon or nutmeg. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a bit of orange zest can also brighten the overall flavor profile, creating a wonderful balance. With your carrots prepped and glaze ingredients ready, it's time to cook. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your prepared carrots and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they start to become slightly tender crisp. Then, pour in 1/4 cup of water or broth and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Bring it to a simmer and cook, stirring occasionally, until the liquid reduces and beautifully coats the carrots. Once your carrots are perfectly glazed, it's time to serve them up. These sweet and savory glazed carrots make an excellent warm side dish for almost any meal. For a touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish them with some finely chopped fresh parsley or chives. If you desire an even richer, deeper glaze, you can stir in an additional teaspoon of maple syrup or honey during the final minutes of cooking. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.